Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, red color, and black color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first we draw A. And U is yellow color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. T for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and U is blue color. Blue color. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and U is yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first we draw 1 and U is green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.